In this tutorial, we will be talking about the similar shapes. As you can see here, we have a set of pictures. In the set of pictures, we have a picture of film and another set of pictures of a child. Well, if you take a look, the picture of the film is not even similar to the picture of the child, but all of the pictures of this child are similar. So, what is the difference between congruent and similar? Congruent means same shape and same size. These two pictures are congruent, while similar means same shape but not necessarily the same size. So I'm going to give you an example of the same picture but not the same size of the same exact child. These are similar and the above are congruent. So you should by far know the difference between congruent and similar. So let's talk about similar figures even more. Take a look at the squares right here at the top right corner, or maybe at the lines at the top left corner, or maybe at the circles at the bottom side. These are all similar, but they are not congruent. They have the same shape, but they do not have the same size. You have circles, squares, and lines, but they do not have the same size. So we call them similar figures.